Hey guys, and welcome. This is just a quick walkthrough on how to add the DC playlist. First, you're going to go to TV shows, click Add to, create Smart Playlist, and then you're going to change this to match any of the following. You're going to change this to episodes, and then instead of by show, you're going to change that to release date. Click it one more time. Make sure the arrow is pointing up. And then you're going to start adding in the following: Batwoman, Supergirl, DC Legends of Tomorrow, Arrow, The Flash, and then as you see here, it's all in order by air date. Click Save As, name your playlist, and there you have it. I believe I got all the TV series. If I missed one, please comment and let me know. Please note that you have to click the DC playlist to play in order. If you play it from the beginning here, it won't work. It'll just go to the next episode in the TV series. So just keep that in mind. Please like and subscribe. Any questions, please feel free to make a comment. Thanks and have a good day.